Weakness isn't your enemy. It's your greatest teacher, but only if you learn how to conquer it. Imagine becoming the strongest version of yourself, mentally, physically, emotionally. Today, I'm going to show you 4 powerful steps that will transform your weakness into unstoppable strength. Let's dive in. You can't defeat an enemy you don't recognize. Most people hide from their weaknesses. They deny them or sugarcoat them. But the first step to strength is radical self-awareness. Sit down, no distractions. Ask yourself, where am I struggling? Write it down, be brutally honest. Awareness is the birthplace of change, because what you don't face will forever control you. Small hinges swing big doors. After identifying your weakness, don't aim for massive change overnight. Instead, create tiny daily habits that chip away at the problem. Small, consistent wins build momentum, and momentum builds confidence. Growth and comfort cannot coexist. You will never build strength inside your comfort zone. Weakness feeds on comfort. Strength feeds on discomfort. Each time you lean into discomfort, you rewire your brain to become stronger. If you only do what's easy, your life will be hard. But if you do what's hard, your life will be easy. Environment is stronger than willpower. You can't soar like an eagle if you're hanging around with turkeys. Surround yourself with disciplined, positive people. Cut out negativity and excuses. Your surroundings either fuel your weakness or ignite your strength. Weakness is not a curse, it's a call to action. When you identify it, plan against it, embrace discomfort, and build the right environment. You don't just overcome weakness, you build unstoppable strength. Your future self is waiting. Don't keep them waiting too long. Subscribe to FocusElevate for more life-elevating strategies. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what weakness are you ready to conquer today?